Shalom family, IUIC Portland Kingdom Builders. I'm Sister Aria, House of Soldier Nathaniel.
Shalom family, I'm Sister Jada, House of Officer Micaiah.
Shalom family, Sister LaQuenta, House of Brother Diane.
And we're down here at the beautiful Pacific Northwest, Vancouver Waterfront. Kingdom Builders is having our official first field trip. We're going to be walking down these planks, and there is our history down here, and we're going to have them pick an era, and then they're going to do an essay, and then afterwards we are going to have a picnic. Shalom.
Shalom.